Hello viewers, this is Asad from Noor Fashion. Today I will introduce the denim pant. The label is Banana Republic. So I will show you how to identify original product. So first of all, here is we'll see the main button. Here is the Banana Republic. You see the beer. The here is the mention Banana Republic means beer means Banana Republic. And I'll show the ribbit. Here is the beer Banana Republic. Here is another ribbit, and see the ribbit, the Banana Republic, and I will show you the button, zipper. Sorry, here is mentioned also beer Banana Republic. So confirm this is the original product. I will show you the main button. Here is also Banana Republic and size 38 by 32, made in Bangladesh, the stock product from Bangladesh. So I will show you the care level. Factory cut the RN number, and this is the fabrication 100% cotton, Japanese language, and something I can't understand. Here is the size 38 by 32, and also mention the size, what is the fitting, and here is the security. So this is the trick how to identify original product. So guys, if you want any stock product from Bangladesh, please contact us. We have a lot of stock product in our source and our factory, and please keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.